Yo, what's good, guys? I just wanted to make a quick video talking about these setups that I'm personally watching currently. And a bunch of these I'm already in, but pretty much all of them is still a good buying spot. So let's get right into the video. First up, we have SLNH at 347 per share currently in post market. This looks very good. The EMAs are all in order, low volume while it's consolidating right around the 8 and 21 EMA. 24% ADR, which is fantastic. And the previous high is 514, and like I said, currently it's 347. And when looking at this chart, it's not that far away whatsoever. And these small cap stocks can move so fast. And the reason why these are so good is because right now at 347 all the way to 514 is already almost a 50% play just on shares. That is absolutely fantastic. You know, in shares you can really load up because it's less risk than options. But just beware, even though it may not look like these small caps are moving a lot, because they're so cheap, everything's about percent. So just bear that in mind. Like I said, I already bought into this one and I sent it to my Discord, but looks really good. All right, next up we have Rani, R-A-N-I. This looks really good. I can see right here. I mean, if you watch my setup video, you just know these types of setups. You know that this looks good. Low volume while consolidating and big volume on this pump up. And 28% ADR is absolutely insane. I had a really strong pullback into the 8 and 21 EMAs after that big pump up, and then reclaimed the 8, and it's been holding it since. I got in around 215 personally, and I'm going to be aiming for 387 for my first trim, and then we can honestly even see previous high of like 875 eventually. So I'll be looking to hold that until then. Looks really good. Earnings are coming up soon on both this and SLNH and a lot of these other stocks. So that is something to keep in mind, but I'm not too worried about them on most of them. And yeah, this looks really good. Still a good buying opportunity here at 250, even though I've been in since 215. But yeah, so from here to 387, it's over 50% gain already, and this can easily see that. All right, next up is going to be Butterfly Network, BFLY. They make some sort of portable ultrasound. I haven't really seen any other company do this, and super cheap stock. Looks like it has a lot of potential. EMAs are pretty much in place. The 50 is just right under the 200-day. 8.87% ADR, big volume on this pump, and looks like it's declining volume while it's consolidating. This probably will take a few more days to consolidate before going to retest this previous 310. All right, next up we have ASST. I'm in this so heavy, usually much heavier than I buy into anything. This chart just looked so good to me. Huge volume on this pump up, and I wasn't in it yet. After I start come down, I added at the end of the day here at around 120, and then this next day I added more around 110, and then yesterday I added more as well at around 120 again, just because like I just want to keep adding to this because I genuinely believe this has a lot of potential. It's backed by like Vivek Ramsey, I believe. I don't know too much about that, but looks really good. Really cheap stock, and it genuinely looks like it's bottomed out here, guys. Like, seriously. My first trim for this is going to be 330, which is well over 100% from here. Yeah, 128% from here already. I'm already up pretty decently, and this looks really good. So like I said, 330 for my first trim, and then probably $5, but then I'm going to hopefully aim for this previous high of 1260 to probably just take full profit, to be honest. So this is something to watch, guys. If you were to buy any of these stocks I'm talking about today, it would be this one 100%. All right, next up is going to be LAES. This stock looks so good. I mean, this setup, as you can see right here, just looks absolutely great. Really nice wedge. EMAs are in place. 17% ADR. Low volume on this consolidation, but big volume on the run-up. And 662 share price, and the previous high is 871. That's about 30% gain. Looks very good for both options and shares. I'm personally going to load up on calls on this as well once it breaks the previous day high, and it actually looks good. But I am planning on buying more maybe tomorrow or sometime later this week when it kind of starts to look better to go higher instead of just sitting in this consolidation zone. Next up is going to be Citi, C, the bank. This looks really good. I did have calls on this, but I got wicked out right here. A couple of days has been kind of weird with all these wicks, but still looks good. I'm looking to get in calls on this on a 15-minute close with volume above 102.30. And I'll be aiming for 105.59. This is one of the better opportunities in the market right now because overall, like with options right now, it's not that great. Next up is going to be SoFi. Really nice right here. I'm going to be looking to get in this on a 15-minute close above 30.40, and I'll be getting 31 call expiring November 21st or December 19th. I haven't quite decided if I want that longer expiration yet. But again, this looks really good. EMAs are in place, 6.47% ADR, and I'll be aiming for 32.57 for my first trim. And then last but not least is going to be EOS, EOSE. I talked about this before in one of my setup videos. This was really good, and I've been watching this like a hawk. Today just had earnings, and it's kind of flat, which I really liked. I was really hoping that it wouldn't have a huge reaction to the upside or the downside, obviously, because I want to get in this on a clean play. So since earnings are kind of flat, I'll be looking to get in this on a 15-minute close with volume above 1540, or when it breaks this trend line, and I'll probably be getting 16 call December 19th, and I'll be aiming for 1905. So yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. Let me know what setups you guys are looking at, and apologies for not posting for a little bit. I've been focusing on futures, my TikTok, and my Instagram Reels. I am going to be posting a lot of futures content. I got to figure out what I'm going to be doing for that, but let me know what type of videos you guys want to see in the future. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.